How to share a Spotify rap on Instagram. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be telling you how you can share your Spotify rap on Instagram. So let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is simply open up your Spotify and then go to your Spotify Wrapped. Once you're on your Spotify Wrapped, you guys would be able to see a share icon on the top right corner. So you're simply going to tap on that. And after clicking on that, over here you guys would be able to see Instagram chats, and if you scroll down, you're gonna see your Instagram stories as well. So what you can simply do is you can simply copy the link from over here, and once you have copied it, simply go back to your Instagram and then go to your story section. And once you're in the story section, tap on create and tap on this, and then simply go over here and paste the link. And once you've placed the link, you can simply click it on your story, and that is how you can share your Spotify rap on your Instagram story or your chats if you want to. That is very simple. If you want to send it on chat, simply go over here, tap on this button, and then simply click on chats. So that is how easily you can share your Spotify rap on your Instagram. Let me know in the comment section below if this video helped you guys. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.